They are passionate. They are driven. Through adversity, they push forward and continue to provide. Provide for our families and provide for our neighbors. In the face of unpredictable weather and countless trials, farmers stand strong. They tackle unexpected challenges with unwavering determination. With grit, they turn adversity into an unwritten verse of resilience. Because in these fields, when machines falter, our spirit shines even brighter. Through poor crops, lost crops, and bumper crops, they work the early mornings and late nights until the days blend into one. Farming is more than a profession. It's a passion for the land, a passion for the people, a passion for cultivating the earth's most important resources to ensure that we never go to bed hungry. They're nurturing a legacy. They're passing down the land to the next generation of farmers, instilling in them the same values and the same dedication. With each seed they sow, they're also planting the seeds of knowledge, of tradition, of a future where the land thrives and families prosper. And as the farmers race to beat the seasons and the changes they bring, they will always find time for one more hour. Because in that one more hour, they plant hope, they cultivate dreams, and they ensure that the world keeps turning, one harvest at a time.